speech planned right now, but like this, I actually feel weird right now. I feel weird. This is it's an overwhelming feeling. Like I totally knew we were gonna hit 100K today, tomorrow, something like that. I was expecting it, but right now I almost feel like I want to cry or something. Don't worry, I ain't gonna do that. But that's like how I feel right now. This is incredible, guys. I don't even know what to say right now. I know what to say right now. Crystal Goins! Crystal oh, good. Ow. Crystal Goins, welcome. My voice is getting cracky, guys. There you go. Have a slice of toast that I have cried on. Whew, I can't believe it, man. The tweets. The tweets. I have never seen this many tweets. Cry. Just let it out. I'm gonna cry, guys. Ooh. Beard. Or a lucky block for my beard, but it's all the same. Lily pad from a beard. Welcome to the bunny mowers. Welcome to the bunny mowers. I would like to thank my arms for being at my side. My legs for always supporting me, and my fingers because I can always count on them. Amanda, I was almost murdered waiting for you. Guys, everybody calm down. Amanda is here. It is time. Here is the tools. You alright, Chewie? Am I gonna be able to do this or what? Here is the tools that will get it done. Let's see what we're working with here. We are working with a wall home product, home cut, complete hair cutting kit. Let's do this. Can you get a towel or something? Like a big towel I can put all down here? Alright, Amanda, I'm gonna need your assistance. Lady. Let's cut into these things. Oh, we gotta make the screen bigger. Hang on. Awesome sound the robot thing. I'm just gonna go like that big. That's plenty big, guys. Trust me. Oh, thank you. Genius idea right there. Thank you. Alright, I'm putting this dirty carpet down underneath me. Alright, we've got... Hold up. Oh, God, it's on my foot! Okay, I got it on the thing. Let's get leaned in here. Let's now crack into the razor. Let's see. It's an unboxing, guys. 2-for-1 video. Okay, so when you open the box, it comes with instructions, but I'm a man. Nobody reads instructions. Oh! Here is the actual device that shall removeth thy beardeth. How do you feel about this, Amanda? Should we hear them for the first time, guys? How do I do it? I am scared! You got back just in time, huh? Alright. Alright, how should I start? Alright, you know what? I think we better drink some water first, guys. It's always good that before removing a beard, you are well saturated. Brother Death! Brother Death! Here we go. Pro tip, cover my keyboard. Wow! That is a legit pro tip. Hang on, guys. Let me cover the keyboard for real. I don't need, like, little micro hairs flying all over my keyboard. How are we gonna do that? Man, the first thing we're gonna do is reveal the double chin. Here we go, guys! I can't do it! Oh my god, I gotta get hype! I gotta get hype! I gotta get hype, alright. Here we go. I can't do it! I can't do it! One last goodbye with the beard. You ready for this? Amanda's looking at me like, stop being a sissy. Hef! This is full-on sissy mode, man. Here we go. Oh my god, it's stuck! Oh god, it's stuck! Ah, no! No! Alright, it's mostly still there. I want to shave just right up the middle. Ow! Oh! No! No! I can't believe this is happening right now. I can't believe this is happening. Oh my god. Oh! Oh. How I can't even do that? I can't see what I'm doing, guys. I can't see what I'm doing. Leave it like that. Oh god. Oh god, that was a lot! Ew, look at this chunk. No, it looks like one of those guys you see that's got like 4 hairs, but they're trying to make it work. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god! Oh, this is the worst idea ever. I can't, how am I gonna look this way and, how do I... Dude, I can't see over, you know what? Who cares? Just go. I can't. Oh my god. He's just, there you go. Do it slowly. The problem is I can't see where I'm shaving to. I'm gonna have to take a break and like fix it up or something. Oh my god. No, it's like Mario with no beard. Great. Alright, there's that. Oh my god. It's time for the mustache. Let Amanda cut it. Like, I think I need to. Please leave the nose? What does that even mean, man? You guys gotta remember, I'm trying to do this in reverse right now. Oh my god!